idiot.
wait, how do you craft?
That's my question.
Guys, how do you craft?
How you doing? How you doing? That's mine.
Oh, I'm a level 6.
Guys, how you craft
Seven,
things?
Thank you.
How do you
Guys, how do we
craft?
craft? Guys, how do we craft?
Oh my god, bro. Oh my god.
Can someone please tell me one of these?
Yay, 3 coins.
Look around, bro.
Hey, why y'all stealing coins?
There's like
Purple
16.
just steal.
I'm just gonna camp right here.
Purple
What the
just
heck is
stealing.
this?
That was
That's
my
not
coin.
stealing as well.
That was my
OG
coin.
hack. Why are you stealing as well?
Okay. Another mushroom?
Nothing.
I'm just hanging
About
around.
the rules.
And then we get another mushroom? Alright, then.
All I know is that bird getting 3.
Guys, how do we craft? How do we craft?
Team deathmatch. Get out. Nah, today we're gonna be playing Bird Game 3.
Guys, is anyone
Why is
know how
everyone
to craft?
making videos, bro?
Guys, how do y'all craft, guys?
That's like the,
Oh, wait,
like the
OG
4th person in this lobby.
Thank you.
Bird Game 3
I don't
is
know.
out.
Wait, how do you get hats? Oh, here, color.
Yeah, and I'm a bad bird.
How do y'all
so I'm a
craft?
soul.
How do y'all craft? How do y'all craft?
I would not recommend dropping any bodies in. You're not gonna get anything from it. I'm gonna go look for what the cave is.
Guys, how do you craft?
Rapid fire, my dookie.
What the? Cat bone.
It's raining dookie from out of the sky.
How do you
Dookie.
craft? Guys,
It's
how do you
raining
craft?
dookie.
Oh, guys, I found the crafting recipes. Here they are. This is craft. Okay, okay. The first thing we need is a mushroom, the skull, and the lettuce.
Alright, let us skull a bottle. Let us
Okay, so we need
mushroom, skull.
mushroom, skull, and lettuce. Mushroom, skull, lettuce. Mushroom.
What it's called.
Okay,
What's its name?
mushroom.
I found a cannonball.
It's a shooting game.
A mushroom. A lettuce.
I think you need we need one of these. We need one of these.
Okay, skull. Skull, 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 skull. Here's a skull. Okay, the first crafting recipe. Oh, I think this is the wrong lettuce. I don't need this. Okay, guys, moment.
Oh yeah,
What the heck is
I
this?
shoot fire dookies that explode.
Oh no!
Oh, I craft.
Let me out!
Oh, guys, I got something. I got soda.
Mini games? Do you want to play mini?
Guys, look, I got soda. Yo, it's so delicious. But I got flamed. Oh yeah, look at my cool powers. Press that button. What did you get? Oh, can I have one? Yeah, thanks. Light 'em up. Alright, let's see what else the recipes.
How do I pick
Alright, let's see
things
what
up?
kind of recipes we got.
Over
Okay. Oh, explosive. Okay.
Q over S27. Yes, you can.
You have to complete
the other
the
one.
challenge.
It's
You
right
do
there.
that challenge. Oh,
Join the code.
how do you do
Oh, I
it?
crafted something, guys. What do I get?
What is
Oh,
that?
I got explosive. Go.
Wait, how do you make that? Wait, how do you make that? Wait, how do you get? How do you make
Oh,
that?
I
How do you
just
make
found
that?
out how to make. Wait, how do you get that hat?
Oh my
How do you
gosh.
get the OG hat?
I
Is-
think I got it.
The tap.
Dude, he's literally spamming.
Cause look, ba.
Yo, how do you?
I don't know how to craft.
Hey, you're coming on me, boy. Into the shelter, you go.
What? Hold on.
Oh, shut it!
I finished the task. No, I did not finish the task. I have one more.
Oh, bottle caps.
It's deathmatch.
Bro,
I
how
have
do
to
you
get.
make
I have
that?
to beat one more.
How do you
I have
make
to beat
that?
deathmatch.
Oh, let me fly.
Oh wait, I can move. I'm an idiot.
Mushroom?
You searching it up?
What do you put it?
The heck is a black mushroom? Oh, it feels too weird.
Wait.
Yo, what's the point of this game? Like, how do I craft stuff? How do I craft stuff?
You gave it to me. Genji.
Wait, how do you do that?
Oh. Oh my god.
Hey, what does it do? What does it do? What does it do? Like, craft.
Are you here?
Oh, wait, how'd you do that? How'd you do that? How'd you do that? Hold on, this guy's showing me stuff.
Bro.
Wait, how did you guys do that?
How do you do what?
Yeah, how do you get fire? How do you get fire?
Go to the bird. Go to the bird. The huge one.
What huge bird?
This one.
If you
Right here.
Oh, what the heck?
Yeah, I saw the recipes.
So, mushroom, egg, and that thing.
Yeah, we
I got
get
Mushroom,
fire.
skull,
I got fire.
mushroom, egg, and herb.
I'm gonna.
Mushroom, death,
Let me see.
and
Let
flower.
me see. Okay.
Mushroom,
Okay.
death, flower.
I
got
plant
flamethrowers,
bottle
baby.
egg. Plant bottle egg. Plant bottle egg. Plant bottle egg. Plant bottle. Plant bottle. Plant bottle.
No,
Alright, got
it
the
just
egg.
ran out. My fire just ran out. Come on, bro.
I got one. Let's go.
Yeah! It's just like you buy it by the same area.
Hey, let me see.
You win?
Oh,
And I found
super!
out all the
I-
Yo, I
crafting.
can fly super fast. I can fly super fast now.
It's killable. That guy is killable. That guy is a killable.
Me and Arlen trying to get the game bird things.
If you, I
What's
got.
up,